Another great example from my father's 1963 through 1967 Corvette collection. He picked this one. Obviously, it's the iconic split window coupe, but it's the silver blue color. Look at the knockoffs, the red lines. It is absolutely gorgeous. Clean California car, or West Coast car, I should say. No rust in the frame. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at about 200 classic cars for sale. And that's where you find a price tag on all of them, including this one, along with a monthly finance option as well. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. So the coupe is more rare to come by and more desirable than the convertible, especially in the 1963. It's the 1 year it had the split in the window. That's where the nickname split window comes from. They eliminated it in 64 because it gave you a blind spot. The body's in excellent shape. The car has a pretty fresh paint job on it. The door, which goes all the way up into the roof, fits very nicely. Shuts like a new car. Really straight. I don't see body work. I don't see shrinkage. I see a little bird poop. We'll get that off in a little bit. Hood lines up real nice, square, flush. Headlights fit real nicely. Yeah, the body's looking really sharp on this car. I don't see any issues. I don't see any cracking, damage. It's all real nice. Shuts like new. Beautiful, clean body. Silver blue color. You don't see it very often, and it's laid out nice, polished, smooth, and glossy. Yeah, all looking good. The correct antenna, the fuel filler cap, emblem, tail lights, bumpers. It looks like show quality chrome on the bumpers, but all this trim I'm talking about is sparkling. Has the original glass, has some light scratches in it. The stainless trim is polished out real nice, fits real nice. Has the bow tie mirror. Stainless trim is real good. Original windshield too. So it has, typical light scratches like you would expect, some wear on it. Cross flag emblems are new and sparkling. Check out them knockoff wheels. Those are new wheels. I think my dad put them on there. Had hubcaps when he bought it. With the reproduction redline tires, that is sharp looking. 63 was the only year with these grills sunken down into the hood. They look to be in great shape. Another little spot that I'm pretty sure we'll clean off. I'll get that in a minute. Bumpers up front look like show chrome. Cross flags look new. Now why don't we open it up, see what it's like inside. So this right here is what makes this one of the most iconic collectible cars of all time, the 63 split window. That's right up there with the 57 Chevy. Now we've been making some really cool test drive segments on the cars. You can find those on our YouTube channel or go to our website, and if there's one available, it will be attached right to the car, right in the photos. So this car was completely repainted. You can see the jambs are even painted real nice and slick. They replaced the weather strips as well. Door panels look like they're new. They're in excellent shape. Window cranks look new as well. And the knobs, the lock knobs. Dash area is very good original. 63 was the only year for the silver cone. People complained about being blinded when the sun would hit it, so they discontinued that later. But all real nice, all functional. Dash pads are original and they're in good shape as well. The the glove box door, it's like a clear laminate. See, I can't feel the Corvette. That was 63 only, I believe. That one is in excellent shape. This is our inspection sheet. It'll go with the car. All new carpet, new seat belts. Center console's in real nice shape. AM, FM radio, that would have been an option in 63. I don't know if it works. The clock's only right twice a day. But anyway, a clean console with the correct reverse lockout shifter. Original center cushion. The original. Seats have been reupholstered. They're in real nice shape. Backs of the seats are reupholstered. All new carpet in the back as well. It is the original vinyl trim. We can try gluing that back in place there. And then up above is real nice. The light works. The headliner's real nice. The visors, the mirror, all that looks real good. Steering wheel's in real nice shape. Pedals look like they're new. The headlight dimmer switch looks new. Now we go through and service each one of our cars. Lead mechanic drives it, looks at it, puts it on the lift, and he makes a work order, gives it to the other mechanics to go through it. So this is the number match 327 motor. We check casting codes and dates and stamp pad, and it all looks good to us. We even post those pictures on our website. All stock. The manifolds, the valve covers, the stickers, the dual snorkel air cleaner, the ignition shielding, all stock. Very simple motor compartment. You got a new master cylinder, reproduction hose, the shroud, the fan, all that looks to be in real good shape. Over here, looks like a new alternator. You got the right choke tube, the right hoses and clamps, the right expansion tank, Delco battery topper. All looks nice and clean and tidy in here. Now let's talk about the underside. First year for independent suspension front and back. We've gone through and again, we did our inspection. There were several components we did replace. So now it's good to go. Brakes are in great working condition. Dual exhaust system looks new and it's correct. Has the polished tips going out through the valance. Like I was saying earlier, it's clean, rust-free frame. It's just smooth. The floors are unbelievable how clean they are. They look like they're new. It's all raw fiberglass like it's supposed to be. And yeah, they are really clean. You look up at the motor, real nice Chevy orange. Starter, everything looks fresh. Has its VIN number matched T10 4-speed transmission. And in back, it has its original 336 gears. The dates and codes line up to this car spot on. Those spots on the hood I mentioned earlier, I put a little spray shine on there and they came right off. Go to volocars.com. The salesman would be happy to answer your questions, including how to get this delivered, how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.